Hello and welcome. You're watching India Today, wishing the viewers of India Today a very happy Republic Day. Now, India is celebrating the 76th Republic Day today. As a chief guest, Indonesia's president will attend the Republic Day parade at Kartavya Path. Around 31 tableaux will participate in the parade. The theme for the tableau at the Republic Day Parade 2025 has been decided as Swarnim Bharat, Virasat aur Vikas. They will showcase India's progress in various sectors like technology, infrastructure and cultural heritage. A 352-member marching and band contingent from Indonesia will participate in the parade. The parade will also feature many other firsts, such as the Tri-Services tableau, which will depict the spirit of jointness among the armed forces. Shivani Sharma is joining us live from Kartavya Path. Shivani, speak to us about the theme of this Republic Day. What really sets it apart and what is the focus going to be on?
Chetna, very happy Republic Day to you and to all our viewers. And I'm standing close to the enclosure entry from where the Kartavya Path parade will be starting. You see the atmosphere is electrifying and people from far places are coming to witness the Kartavya Path Republic Day parade, 76th Republic Day parade. And you know, this time there will be a number of firsts in the Republic Day parade. This Republic Day parade will be a confluence of the diverse heritage of India and the military capabilities. And the president from Indonesia, who happens to be the chief guest for our 76th Republic Day, is significant as he is the one who is not only meeting the Prime Minister, he will be here because when India celebrated the first Republic Day in 1950, that time also the President of Indonesia was the chief guest. So to commemorate the 75 years of our Republic Day celebrations, we see the guests coming here and I'll show you how these arrangements have been done. There are multi-layer security arrangements in the national capital. More than 15,000 CAPFs have been involved in the security arrangements. And in the parade, we will be witnessing the marching contingents of the Indian Army, the mounted contingent, and also the BrahMos missile, the Pralay, 40 aircraft and 12 different formations to showcase the might of Indian Air Force. And people who are coming here, they would like to share their feelings today, that how do they feel when they are here. आप लोग कहाँ से आए हुए हैं और कैसा लग रहा है आपको आज आप रिपब्लिक डे परेड में हिस्सा लेने आए हो?
हम लोग बिहार से आए हुए हैं, सिवान डिस्ट्रिक्ट से, और बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है हम लोग को। रिपब्लिक डे में हम लोग आज शामिल हुए हैं और हम लोग जो है कि यहाँ बहुत ही शानदार यहाँ भव्य आयोजन हुआ है और हम लोग उसी का लुत्फ उठाने आए हुए हैं।
So now we have to wait when the parade starts at 10:30, and before that at 10:05 we'll be seeing Prime Minister Narendra Modi starting the celebrations for the day with paying his respects to the fallen heroes at the National War Memorial along with other dignitaries, and from there he'll be returning to the saluting dais at around 10:22 a.m. And thereafter, the president, along with the chief guest of the president of Indonesia, will be reaching the saluting dais at the Kartavya Path, and the parade would start at 10:30 a.m. So we'll be seeing a number of tableaus from all the states and union territories, along with the tableaus of the ministries this time. We'll see first time the Tri-Services tableau that has been included in this Republic Day parade celebration. We'll see for the first time Agniveer from Navy, the women Agniveers from Navy performing as musicians in the band. We'll see the marching contingent of Indonesia, 352 soldiers from Indonesia, including women officers, who will be marching on Kartavya Path. 6 contingents from the Indian Army who will be marching at Kartavya Path. We'll be seeing the mechanized columns of the Indian Army, which have been included for the first time in the services, the modern FRVs. We'll be seeing the BrahMos missile, the Pralay missile, Akash missile, Sanjay surveillance system, multi-barrel rocket launchers, and we'll also see the cavalry, the 61 cavalry horses and soldiers out there at Kartavya Path, and 5,000 different cultural folk dancers will be performing together at Kartavya Path, and Signal Corps will be performing their daredevilry in different formations as they have made a record again this time. So this will be a spectacular event, and you can see the excitement out here. It's early morning, still some time for the parade to begin, but people have started gathering since early morning in the national capital. We've been seeing and talking to these people. They are really excited to see the Republic Day parade at Kartavya Path. So this is the atmosphere out here. It's really thrilling, and everybody is waiting to see the Republic Day parade. That will start at 10:30. And before that, we'll be seeing Prime Minister Narendra Modi along with the dignitaries at the National War Memorial at 10 a.m.
Absolutely, Shivani, stay with us. I'm going to come back to you. Sunilji Bhatt is also joining us live from Maulana Azad Stadium in Jammu. Sunilji, what are the preparations like? There is a lot of fervor within people in Delhi, and people have come in from different parts of the country to witness the Republic Day parade. What is it like in Jammu and Kashmir? What are the preparations like?
Well, good morning, Chetna, and wishing you a very happy Republic Day. Right now, I am standing outside Jammu's Maulana Azad Stadium. The main function of the Republic Day in Jammu and Kashmir is going to be held here at Maulana Azad Stadium, and you can see that tight security arrangements are in place for the Republic Day celebrations, because security always remains a concern here in Jammu and Kashmir, and that is why the authorities are not taking any chances. You can see that there is massive deployment of the security forces, whether from the Jammu and Kashmir police or from the central paramilitary forces. CCTV cameras have been installed here. You can see, I will just ask my camera person to show you the pictures. 360-degree HD CCTV cameras have been installed here so that the security personnel can monitor the suspicious movement, if any, in and around the stadium. Right now, you can see that there is deployment of Indian Army personnel also here. So tight security arrangements are in place, but there is massive enthusiasm among the people of Jammu and Kashmir as far as the Republic Day celebrations are concerned. Whether in Jammu or in Kashmir Valley, people are quite excited about this national festival, and Republic Day is also being celebrated in Jammu and Kashmir with great joy, enthusiasm and patriotic fervor. But as I said, that security has been tightened across Jammu and Kashmir, particularly at sensitive places, including the line of control as well as India-Pakistan international border. In Jammu, main function of Republic Day is going to take place at Maulana Azad Stadium. Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha is going to hoist the tricolour. Contingents from the Central Paramilitary Forces, Jammu and Kashmir Police, NCC cadets are going to take part in the parade. Cultural programs are also going to be held. Chief Minister Umar Abdullah is going to be the chief guest here. Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha will hoist the tricolour. And Chetna, in Srinagar, Deputy Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir Surendra Chaudhary is going to hoist the tricolour, and Republic Day celebrations are taking place across the length and breadth of Jammu and Kashmir. As I said, people are quite excited. There is massive enthusiasm, and this festival is being celebrated with great patriotic fervor across the length and breadth of Jammu and Kashmir. But as I said, that security always remains a concern, and there are intelligence inputs that suggest that Pakistan-sponsored terrorists may try to disrupt peace in Jammu and Kashmir on the occasion of Republic Day. That is why strict vigil is being maintained at sensitive places, including line of control as well as India-Pakistan international border. Chetna, back to you.
Absolutely, Sunilji. Thank you for bringing us all those details. Jammu and Kashmir, amid tight security, is seeing a fervent, festive fervor when it comes to Republic Day celebrations.